Good morning students, welcome back to online class of science of class 3rd. How are you all? I hope you all are fine there. Students, as you all know, your 3 classes of science is over and today is your 4th class. I have mentioned here part 4, it means it is a 4th class of science. Students, in previous class I have given you one revision test and I told you that I will give you answer of in next video. So in this video I will give you answer of the test paper. And as you all know, lesson number 2 explanation is over, so I will give you book exercise of lesson number 2 and then question answers. So students, come on, your test answers. Here is your test answers. You can see here, tick the correct. I have ticked with the red marker. Then fill in the blanks. Then C question is put against the correct sentences. And students, in this sentence there is no correction, it is the right sentence. And in this sentence, insects breathe through gills, that is wrong, and the correct sentence is here, insects breathe through spiracles. Next, question answers. Why do animals move one place to another? Here is the answers. So this is the answer of your test paper. I hope you all are able to see it clearly. You all can take a screenshot. Now take out your book and then open page number 16 of lesson number 2. Exercise here, lesson number 2. Now see here. Your first is new words. Here is new words. So students, this new word I have already mentioned here, learn it. You all have to learn these new words. Your first new word is cell. So it is the smallest unit of our body. Next, tissue. Cell of same kind join together to form tissues. Organ. Different tissue join together to form an organ. Organ system. Different organs that carry out one particular function of the body form an organ system. Internal organs, organ present inside the body. Breathing, the taking in and giving out of air. Students, before starting the exercise, I want to share something. As you all know, you all get the one answer sheet with your book. Please don't write down answer with that answer sheet because that is not all correct. Only you have to write all the answers which I have given you in this video. Only that answer you have to write in your book and copy. No need to tally your answer with the answer sheet which you get with your book because that is not correct. Not all correct. Some answers are correct but some are not correct. So students, you all have to write the answer with my video because I have given all the answer from the book. And that is all correct. Now come on the exercise. Here is your exercise. Now first exercise here. Tick the correct answer. Your first exercise is here. Tick the correct answer. Your first question is the smallest unit of the body is cell. Answer is cell. Next, the food is digested in the stomach. Answer is stomach. Next, the control center of the body is brain. So this is the answer of your first exercise. Now next, B, second exercise. Your second exercise is fill in the blanks. You can see here. Your first question of fill in the blanks is cell of the same type join together to form a tissue. Here I have written tissue, TISSUE. Next, B question, and dash is made up of different tissues, that is organ. An organ is made up of different tissues. Next, the air we breathe in is called inhaled air. So जो air हम लेते हैं inhale करते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? Inhaled air. Now D question, breathing polluted air can cause disease like asthma. अगर हम polluted air को inhale करेंगे तो क्या होगा? अस्थमा होगा, बीमारी है, this is a disease asthma. Now next, we should try to keep the air dash and dash. So we should try to keep the air fresh and clean. So student, this is the answer of your fill-ups. I hope you all are able to see it clearly. After that, answer the following question I will give afterwards. Now first of all, come next paper, that is page number 17. Page number 17, this match the following I have done. First is the picture of lungs, I have matched it. Next stomach, third brain, and fourth one is heart. You can see here. In this way you have to match. Now next, label the respiratory system. It is already in your book. I have labeled also here. You all have to write the answer here. First is nose, second windpipe, third lungs. So students, these all are the exercise of your book. Now come on next paper. Here also one paper, page number 18. Just for fun you have to do in homework. This is a fun activity. Fun activity you can do with the help of your parents. Now come on the question answers. Here students, I have given here is the answer the following question. Third is answer the following question. Here you can see answer the following question. First question is what is an organ system, second what is breathing. So here all the answers here you can see. You all can write down in your copy. Only answer question answers you have to write in your copy with the pencil, and that should be neat and clean. Your first question is what is an organ system. Answer is different organs that carry out one particular function of the body form an organ system. Now next, what is breathing? Taking in and giving out of air is called breathing. Now next, write a short note on the respiratory system. So the answer is the organ that help us to breathe from our respiratory system. They are nose, windpipe and lungs. Next, the question, what are external organs? The organs outside our body are called external organs. Students, in this book, this chapter, only internal and internal organs are there. No external organs are there in this chapter. So external organ वो organ होते हैं जो बाहर present होते हैं, जिन्हें हम देख सकते हैं. जैसे I have already mentioned here, hands, legs, etc. And internal organs present out inside, जो inside present होते हैं, जो हम नहीं देख सकते, तो उन्हें कहते हैं internal organs. So it is the answer about external organ. Now next, last question is why should we breathe through our nose and not our mouth? So answer is we should breathe through our nose because the air in the nose prevent dust particles from entering our respiratory system. हमारी नोज़ में छोटे छोटे हेयर्स होते हैं जो नोज़ को जब ब्रीथ करते हैं तो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं एयर में वो स्टिक हो जाते हैं हेयर्स पर, जो जिसकी वजह से वो एंटर नहीं करते हमारी बॉडी में, सो प्रिवेंट करते हैं. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज ब्रीथ थ्रू आवर नोज़. Student, this is the answer and book exercise answer of your second chapter. You all have to do it neatly and clearly. If you get any doubt, you can comment without any hesitation. With the help of your parents, you can ask any question to me in the comment box. If you are having big doubt, then when school will reopen, then I will clear all that. Today it is sufficient for this class. And your homework is you all have to learn the question answers. First you learn question answer and then try to write in rough copy. That will make your handwriting also clean and your words will clear. So students, sufficient for today. Thank you for have a nice day. I will meet you in next class.